Shift our focus now to some more anti-terror operations that are underway. The search operations, viewers, are going on across Kashmir right now, and we are now getting in reports from other areas where intense counter-terrorism operations are underway. My colleague Gursimran Singh joins us live in the broadcast from Akhnur. Gursimran Singh, this is of course an anti-terror operation that is going on in several parts. There has been continuous, unprovoked small arm firing also from the Pakistani side, to which the Indian Army has retaliated effectively.
Yes, Rakshita, Pakistan has violated the ceasefire once again, and this time in the Akhnur sector from where we are reporting. The people are really concerned about the escalations that are being done by the Pakistani side. Reason being, we are not showing any of the operations that are underway because large-scale operations are underway in this area of the Akhnur sector. Laliali is the place where the ceasefire violation has been reported. We'll try to speak to some locals that what they see, how they see these kind of ceasefire violations taking place, because they have been victim to the ceasefire violations of the Pakistan earlier also. चाचा, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, फायरिंग आप लोगों ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखी है, अब दोबारा से बाकी ललियाली वाली साइड फायर हुआ, थोड़ी चिंता भी होती है?
चिंता तो होती है सर, चिंता तो काफ़ी होती है जो फायर होता है।
तो फिर अब आपको बचाते किस तरह से? बंकर वगैरह हैं घर?
बंकर
छिप जाते हैं वहाँ पे। तो अगर रात को देर रात फायर हो?
देर रात फिर उस बंकर छुपना किधर जाना?
तब भी बंकर में जाएंगे। बंकर तैयार हैं वैसे?
बंकर साफ सुथरे कितने अपने अपने जिदे को सारे को भी बंकर भी नहीं है ना,
तो जिनके पास है उन्होंने पूरे तैयार?
अपने तैयार ही है।
कम्युनिटी बंकर भी हैं?
हाँ जी।
So Rakshita is saying that they have kept the community bunkers also ready. We'll try to speak to one more person. सर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि बॉर्डर का इलाका है, आगे फायर हुआ, कल भी हुआ, कितनी ज़्यादा चिंता है आप लोगों को?
सर, हम इसी गांव के रहने वाले हैं। मैं एक दुकानदार हूं जी, आपको आशियाना दिख रहा है मेरी दुकान। तो क्या कि बॉर्डर पे तो फायर तो होते रहता है, लेकिन अभी थोड़ी ज़्यादा चिंता बनी हुई है कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा जानी प्रॉब्लम आ गई है सरकारों के अंदर जहाँ बॉर्डर पे।
तो अब मुझे ये बताइए, घर पे अगर फायर वगैरह हो जाए, बंकर हैं उस इलाके में?
देखो सर, हम इससे थोड़े निचले गाँव के हैं, ये हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट है, जो आगे वाला गाँव है, फ्रंट पे जो नदी के किनारे गए वहाँ पर बंकर हैं, लेकिन कम है। जैसे कि 5 घर के अंदर एक बंकर दे दिया।
जब फायर होता है फिर उसी बंकर्स में जाते हैं?
हाँ, पहले इससे पहले 2018 में भी थोड़ा हुआ था, तो बंकर के अंदर छुप जाते थे हम। तो उससे पहले 99 में वो तो आपको पता माइग्रेशन हो गई थी।
तो आप समझ सकते हैं that last few years post 2018 this area has been peaceful, but once again because Laliali sector the firing started yesterday evening only, so that's why they are concerned. These are the shopkeepers who earn their livelihood from this only, but what they say that now they are really concerned, Rakshita. Reason is very simple, that the Pakistan is resorting to unprovoked ceasefire violations in this side. The Indian Army and the Jammu and Kashmir Police has launched a large-scale anti-terror operations, but what will happen, because when Pakistan resorts to the ceasefire violation, then the things will turn uglier for the Indian side, because this road leads to the line of control area on the Akhnur. This connects to the Laliali area, the other area where the ceasefire violation has been reported late last night. So that is why a sense of fear is sent to all, because they don't know when this ceasefire violation will start, because Pakistan cannot be trusted. That is something that is for sure. So that's why they are concerned. They are saying that those who have their bunkers, like 3 to 4 houses have a single bunker that they share in this area, so they have been made ready.